In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. You won't be able to set up face recognition if you don't have a screen lock. So set it up and then go into settings. When you're ready, scroll down to click on Biometrics and Password. Tap on Face Recognition available here and enter your current login method I just mentioned. Now hit Get Started at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions on your screen. When you're ready, hit Done. Adjust all of those options however you want to and make sure Unlock Device option is enabled. You need to click on Direct Unlock or Swipe to unlock. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your device with face recognition. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!